So that is what, when we talk about the well-being, as I told you, I have to talk about the well-being. When we talk about in Indian perspective, when we talk about the Indian perspective of health, we are giving as I please. I am not talking from any caste, creed, and religion, because as from Indian perspective, when I have to talk something about the Sanatan Dharma. One only two slides, because it is very much important for this. So when we, according to religion, according to Upanishad, the body is a chariot and senses are like horses. The mind is like reins. In intellect is the charioteer, and the Atman is the master of chariot. What we have to do in order to control, we have to control our mind. So that is what is that. So coming to the point now, very interesting, when as a resource person, when I go somewhere, I always like to, when I teach them emotional intelligence, which is very, there are so many factors for health. If I will come to the little about Western perspective of health, when we talk about the Western perspective of health, also in relation to Eastern perspective of health, we know there are so many factors that influence the health. How to control health? What are the factors? What are the opposite? We have optimism, we have self-efficacy, we have emotional intelligence, we have self-control, we have we are always using the scales from
Hello, ma'am. Can you excuse me? We are so sorry for the inconvenience. We are trying to get her on board again. Please excuse us.
Till then, you can put in your questions in the chat box, and also please let us know how are you liking the session so far.
Keep asking your questions and we will address it to ma'am when she is back. She is back now and she will continue.
Ma'am, since you're facing network issue, it would be preferable if you keep your camera off so that the session is completed smoothly. Can you hear us, ma'am?
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. And if you wish to, you can switch.
Okay, I will see only just to share my screen. Is it visible?
No, ma'am, you will have to share the screen again. Ma'am, you're on mute. Ma'am, if you could unmute yourself. Ma'am, can you hear us? You're on mute.
Ma'am, you will have to unmute yourself with a
Yes.
button.
Yeah, we can
Yes,
hear you
yes.
now. Yes,
Yes.
please continue.
When as a resource person, when I go to that as emotional, when I take that emotional intelligence class, I first tell them, see, I am teaching you emotional intelligence. It is the concept by Goldman. But it is the concept. But the Goldman who has coined that term, bestseller book by Goldman, when we talk about the emotional intelligence, mainly emotional intelligence, when we say we control our emotion, we understand our others' emotion, and we understand our emotions, we control our emotion, we understand others' emotion, and we control others' emotion is emotional intelligence. So I ask whether your mind influences body or body influence your mind. Both interact each other. So see, a very interesting, I am telling you also, it is written, but I am not published, an emotional intelligence, and I am telling you a story about we are everything in our all mythology and all our books, Panchatantra. If you read, you will find each and every concept of psychology there. In Panchatantra story, you might have heard the story of the mongoose and snake story. Have you heard? In the what happened? The farmer had kept a mongoose, and one day the farmer was not at home. The lady went to bring some water. The child was in the home. When the wife came from outside bringing some water, she saw the mongoose mouth was full of blood. What she did? Immediately she threw the pot and the mongoose was killed there and then. When she entered into the house, she realized that that mongoose had not created any problem to the child, but the mongoose had what? Fought with the snake and had killed the snake. What? Then she realized, oh, I made a mistake. It is not emotional intelligence. But how many of us we are talking about that Indian perspective from emotional intelligence story? When Bhagavad Gita, in Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna is talking about that, my mind is, I am unable to control the mind. When Sri Krishna is talking, you better you practice, you will control the mind. It is not emotional intelligence, but how we are not thinking about Indian perspective. Another last point where is my work is based upon, I will go to the last, it is my last PowerPoint, I will be there. The screen is not visible.
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay, no, I don't want to talk about that because there are so many therapeutic aspects. I had kept everything ready, but I don't want to say because I don't get time to interact with others. So that is why I have done a lot of work on social support. As I told you, I have developed a scale on social support also. According to social support, there are so many people, they have done a lot of work on Western people, they have done a lot of work on social support. What is that? When they are talking about Cohen's book, if you read, they are talking about social support. And I am also teaching the structural aspect and the functional aspect. But if you see in India, we have a sloka, Ature Vyashane Prapte Durvikhe Shatru Shankate Rajodware Smashane Jayat Tishtati Savanga. In sickness, misfortune, famine, danger from royal, anything, anywhere you are there, you are a support system to others. But we are not giving importance to that. So that is why there are so many, and also the self-efficacy. We have the belief about ourselves. We are giving auto-suggestions. When there is a problem, I ask others, if a person comes, madam, I am always feeling something, I am not finding okay, I am feeling that, okay, I am feeling depressed, and I think that I won't be success. I say, give auto-suggestions. What type of auto-suggestion? I will be all right. I will do better in my exam. I will qualify in that exam. I will show you my last slide here. See, this is the root chakra mantra. What is I am safe. I am confident, I am abundant, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am everything I need, I am balanced, I am grounded. Do you think it is not auto-suggestion? Emily Khrushchev, what he had said, it is the same thing. The only when Western people will take our concern, then only we will follow those concerns. We will say, we are doing a lot of research. There are a lot of points, but there are a lot. My internet created problem and I didn't get time to say so many things, but I want to show my last slide here. Om Sarve Bhavantu Shukhina Sarve Shantu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhave. May all be prosperous and happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is spiritually uplifting when one suffers in any way. This is now relevant for during the pandemic situation. The health psychologists are needed more. We have developed one health psychology, one SURF group in Telangana. We have developed one helpline in Odisha Central University. I am a member there. Also Telangana SURF group, our department with our department has developed one association of health psychology. They have developed, thousands of people are coming from counseling. And that is what this pandemic situation, it is needed now. So where we have to, students, if they ask me question, I have kept ready also what is the needed of that. So I am keeping some time, I skipped, so I think I would like to interact more with the people than talking about the PowerPoints. So it will be, interactive sessions will be better. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So actually, we have a few questions for you by our attendees, and I'd like to put them forth to you. So, firstly, thank you for this session. It was very informative, and an Indian perspective was really needed for us. So, thank you for this. I straight away move to the questions. The first question is, please explain more ways of dealing with stress besides pranayama.
Sorry?
Please explain more ways of dealing with stress besides pranayama.
So, tell me again.
Yes. Please explain more ways of dealing with stress besides pranayama.
Okay. That means how pranayama will be helpful.
Yes, along with pranayama, what are the things that can be helpful for dealing with stress?
Okay. I understood. So I am not talking about only pranayama. When I am talking about yoga and pranayama are different. Correct. So yoga and pranayama, it is one is breathing and another. But we have, when we are talking about the stress, we are, as I told you, when we should be more optimistic. And what are the other aspects? I told you guided imagery. Guided imagery. All of you know, when we are under stress, I always say, because frankly speaking, my relatives who are doing PhD in US, they are so stressful about while doing the research, they call and they say, oh, I am so stressful, 18 hours we are doing the research. So guided imagery is the best thing. When you are thinking, oh, how will I do? So many works I have to complete. So your mind will be stressful. So I always say, forget about that sometimes. You always bring the good moments, pleasant moment. So that is what it is called the visual imagery. You visualize yourself, the good memory. But another thing, if you want to do, sometimes we have also recording guided imagery processes where we put the something. In guided imagery, what happens? The counselor or the psychologist take the person, the client, to the situation. First, the counselor asks the client, which situation you like. Suppose I will say, I don't like mountain, I like the sea. So then the counselor will take me to the seashore and will say, think now you are walking near the seashore. a nice breeze is coming, you are feeling so happy, the pleasant situation. So slowly we'll take that person to that situation. So as a result of which we have, other than that, we have so many aspects about relaxation procedure, relaxation therapy. We have Jacobson's progressive muscle relaxation, but we are not following Jacobson's. Now we have Indian also aspects where we will follow those. So there are so many procedures I had kept also in my PowerPoint. So number of, and also if sometimes what happens, auto suggestions will work better. I always prefer auto suggestions. Mindful meditation, you know what is mindfulness meditation. Now mindful meditation is very much important compared to other type of relaxation and therapy, because mindful meditation is from Buddhist aspect, and you see so many books from mindful meditation. And in mindful meditation we will not bring anything. Suppose I am eating an apple, what we will do, we will enjoy the apple. Nothing will come at that time. So mindful meditation will be the best one for stressful situation. Yeah.
Yes, that's correct, ma'am. That's very helpful. Another last question that I'll take for you for the day is: do you think schools should start having an Indian perspective to education and include concepts from Bhagavad Gita and very rich other Indian literature?
Sorry.
I'll repeat it. Do you think schools should start having an Indian perspective to education and include concepts from Bhagavad Gita and other very rich Indian literature?
Yes, yes. Actually, now our department has written to the Ministry of Education, and also we are planning to this Netherlands had everywhere when they are chanting the Bhagavad Gita in Bhagavad Gita. And we have to apply.
I think ma'am is still facing some issues. Meera ma'am, are you still here?
Guys, all the questions that are unanswered, we'll send it to Meera ma'am, and when she answers it, we'll post it on the participant groups.
Yes, Meera ma'am, you can continue saying what you were saying. Hello, ma'am. You will have to unmute and then you can talk. Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, yes. Now I am able to hear you.
You can continue with the same answer, ma'am, and we are done then.
Sorry, lot of problem actually. I'm very much sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay, ma'am. Would it be fine if we send the questions to you via mail and then you could answer them? We'll send it to the participants since you're facing a lot of issues.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. I'd like to call upon Andrew sir again to thank ma'am and the tech team to present the certificate. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us here. Have a great
But
day.
actually, I am.
This is your certificate, ma'am. This will be mailed to you.